What's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. In this video, I'm going to talk about, is it worth having a car, an automobile? Okay? Now, a few facts about cars and automobiles. Number one, it's a depreciating asset. Okay? The minute you drive it off the lot, it goes down double digits, maybe up to 20%. Okay? Um, it's a depreciating asset. Um, and like with anything else, you you have to take into account not only the cost. See, people only look at the cost of buying something, meaning that initial purchase price. But there's also maintenance, okay? Maintenance involved with the car. There's also fuel, and there's also insurance. So all of these other costs, okay, come into play when having a car. Now, I'm in New York City, and you may wonder, or that leads me to my next point, actually. I should put it that way, that is it worth having a car in certain places? So in NYC, is it cost efficient to have a car? And the answer for the most part is no. Um, any major city where you have public transportation, it's probably not cost efficient to have a car. And here we have, if you don't have a driveway, you have alternate side of the street parking where you have to move your car on certain days of the week. And maybe I'll show you guys one day what they do outside. They go and double park on the opposite side of the street so sanitation could come and clean the alternate side of the street that is due for cleaning. And that goes on, and you usually don't get a ticket. Every once in a blue, you'll get a ticket for that. I don't know if it's quotas or if the city feels like giving you a ticket. I guess they can for double parking. When I had a car, believe it or not, I would go and look for a legitimate parking spot. Probably the only quote-unquote knucklehead who would go and look for a spot as opposed to just putting it across the street and double park it and pray for the best. I only got one or two tickets for double parking or putting it close to someone's driveway, because there are driveways out here in NYC, okay? There's a lot of houses that do have driveways and stuff. And so, my take on a car, or the facts about a car, is it's usually a waste of money, especially in major cities. Now, if you're in a place where you need a car, so you have to take into consideration the cost effectiveness of having a car. If you're in California, it may help to get a car. And even there, they have public transportation. When I was out there, they had city buses, for example. The town that I was in, they ran till like 9, I think, in the evening. In most major cities, you have 24/7 transportation, or if not close to that. So, yeah, and if you're going to buy a car, buy it used, not new, even though no one listens to that. You'll all go and buy a new car anyway. But take into consideration, you got to retrain your brain and have the mindset of what else could you do with that money. Cars can really, especially if you buy a used one, it breaks down. Like I said, maintenance, repairs, I forgot to throw in there. That's part of maintenance. And it can leave you kind of broke sometimes. So yeah, that's about it. That's my take on cars. Are they worth having? If you have any questions, further questions about cars, what exceptions I would make, what to do with the money instead of buying a car, you know, a car is not having a car is a good example of sacrificing for other things and other goals that you may have. So, any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Um, Give me some thumbs up. This helps. Give me a like if you like the video. This helps get this video and information out to more people. And consider subscribing. And it's good seeing you guys out there in YouTube world, even though I can't see you guys, but I picture you guys. All right. And so, yeah, this is Rafe West with another little tidbit of mine, something of value. Whenever I see something of value, see or have something of value to share, it will be on here. So, this channel is all value based. Okay. Value based stuff. That's the brand of Rafe West. And if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe and share this video with others. All right. And let me know what else you want to hear about. If you want to see me more on the move, perhaps, check out my playlist. I have other playlists on personal development. I have health playlist. And yeah, so check out my other videos as well, because they don't expire. They're good pieces of value all of the time. All right. So on that note, this is Rafe West saying peace, everybody, and take care. Bye-bye.